office in Virginia were pursuing a vehicle for an alleged robbery. What unfolded was a harrowing police chase across state lines that ends with deadly consequences.
Yes, sir. Right. This guy's pulling away already. The thing about Midwest safety is that they're usually just like one story, but they're like more detailed, thoroughly fleshed out. So I really enjoy their content. But a lot of you see, like, look at this is showing the speed, the real nitty gritty of the chase. Yeah, this guy's speeding.
The suspect runs a red light. Using Google Maps, we can estimate they traveled 122 feet in 16 frames of video shot at 24 frames per second, or 2/3 of a second, for a speed of 124 miles per
Dang,
hour.
this guy's moving. I like that math.
Did you know you might get a big tax
These guys are
write-off
smart,
for
man.
a car accident in the last year? Yep. Even if you weren't
Simple
driving.
math. But you kind of inferred by how fast the police officer is going. This guy is definitely flying. I can see why he got into the next state because these roads are really, really clear. I understand why he thought he could get away. Wow. Okay, now he literally just crashed into the next day. I see. I get it now. Wow. This guy's really trying the most, man. That's crazy. Even the time of night it is, it's real clear. This guy definitely has a limiter on his vehicle. He's been at 120, pretty consistent. Boy, probably stomping on the gas right now. Throughout Midway safety is also there's a lot of filler space. Like, they could fast forward this a little bit. They wouldn't be able to hit 12 minutes long on the kill, but it's like the police officer has a limiter on his vehicle too. Like, damn, you've been right behind him at the same distance the whole time, bro. You guys just matching speeds. Just following this guy, escorting him, basically. The hell? I wonder why he's flashing his high beams. Oh, probably just let this guy know. Vehicle in the left lane. At least he's trying to avoid others. I do give him credit for that. But this, like, this police officer has literally been escorting this guy to the next state, bro. Come on now. What is going on here? Did it work? Nope, that did not work. You believe. You know they did. That's great. He thought he was going to be able to get away by driving into the next state. He thought that the police officer was going to let him go. And then the new police officers weren't going to pick the chase, but no,
At
they
this
all.
moment, the suspect runs a red light. Using Google Maps, we can estimate they traveled 40 feet in a quarter of a second, meaning they were traveling at 109 miles per hour at the moment of impact.
Oh,
1050, 1050. Two cars.
man, they didn't show the accident.
Which car is it? Suspect vehicle's the blue one, right?
Yes! Driver, let me see your hands!
Let me see them hands! Hands!
Driver, let me see
Hands!
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
It was definitely going really fast.
Got movement inside the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle! Stand up!
It seems like they survived a car crash.
Negative. 3016. Stay right there where you're at! Don't move! Don't move! I got a passenger on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Y'all donezo.
Don't move! Look away from me! Yeah, go ahead and cover. I got cover. Is there anybody else on the other side?
Yes, there's a passenger!
Okay.
Put your hands behind your f***ing back right now!
Put your hands
Whoa.
back.
Thought we were causing havoc and doing the most. Ah, damn dummy. You better do some time for real, for real.
Probably gonna need at least 3 ambulances. I got secured over here.
That is music playing in the background and everything, man. Turn that shit off.
Stop moving!
Bro, oh man, he's pissing me off.
3 suspects in the car. One's still pinned. One's in custody.
Copy, but no one's outstanding.
I don't believe so. I don't believe so.
What about the other vehicle?
No, I think he's trapped.
Can you stay with him?
Yep.
No, you tell me, is your leg okay? Damn, shit.
We still got movement in there.
Ouch. Ooh, a car crash at that speed with no seatbelt on, bro? Come on now. People don't make no damn sense. Okay, seems like the other person survived. Hell yeah, y'all gonna need IMS.
According to a statement put out by the Maryland Attorney General's office, both the driver and the passenger were juveniles, so their identities are being withheld in accordance with juvenile
These are a bunch of
privacy
kids,
laws.
bro.
According to the
What the
same
hell?
statement, the driver of the civilian vehicle, and the suspect were taken to a local hospital with non-life-threatening injuries.
Cool. Everybody
However,
lived in this
the
situation.
passenger in the suspect's vehicle died from their injuries 2 days later.
Oh,
Due to juvenile privacy laws, it is unknown what charges the driver will face.
Jesus
The Maryland
Christ,
Attorney
bro.
General's
This young
Independent
man killed
Investigations
his.
Division has assumed the investigation. Ultimately, several factors combined that resulted in this tragedy. Those include the extreme speed, the point of impact on the passenger side, and the lack of a seatbelt being worn, which also prevented airbag deployment.
Hey everyone,
Oh
I'm
my
John.
goodness.
Thank you for watching. And wanna
This
call-
is absolutely terrible. Like, that young man risked his life, everybody around him, and ended up killing his passenger. I know he did not expect that chase that way. You got to go sit down for a long time, bro. Like you're definitely gonna catch a murder charge, fleeing and evading. You're not gonna have a license. You're gonna be sitting down for at least 20 years. I hope. Yeah, that's what you deserve because you're reckless. That was absolutely reckless, unnecessary behavior. It's just ridiculous, bro. Like no words can really explain how dumb his actions were that day. But that's it for this video, y'all. I really appreciate y'all for checking out my videos and supporting me. I really enjoyed checking out this guy's Midwest Safeties video. This was very interesting. I wish they would have showed the actual car accident, but it definitely wasn't needed. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for checking this video out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. I definitely appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? And I have plenty of other videos on my channel that I would appreciate y'all checking out. And yeah, that's it for this one. I'll be back to put y'all on some more games soon. And be safe, y'all. Peace.